words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and I scratched myself on my chest, so that's why it's red. And yeah, I'm rocking my Wonder Woman pajamas, so don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge me. So this video is sponsored by SVTHAIR, and I did receive some bundles, you guys, so I can make that pretty wig you saw in the intro. I received 4 bundles, 2 24s and 2 26s. I will have the origin of the hair down below in the description box, but I do believe it's Brazilian straight hair. So they did send me some lashes, which is cool. And the frontal that I also received is 20 inches. So this is what the frontal is looking like. Very pretty, very straight. I have 0 issues with this frontal, 0 issues with the hair. There's no crazy smell. And as you saw earlier, I did get my package via FedEx, so it got here in about 2 days, so you do not have to wait too long for shipping. So this is the frontal. Again, I'm showing you, and I also am showing you now the bundle. Well, at least one of the bundles. This is a 26-inch bundle, and when I tell y'all, I was so impressed with this hair, you guys. From the root to the tip, it was very thick, very nice, very bouncy. No, you know, kinks or anything like that. So yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you with my wig cap, but this is the wig. Once I was finished, you know, making it, I did go ahead and sew this wig, all these bundles, onto a dome cap, and all you see is pieces from the wig head that I used. That's those little copper colored pieces you see. Just don't worry about that. Anyway, this is the hair, this is the wig when I was done. I'm just trying it on for you guys, just to show you what it looks like before I cut the lace off. And so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I usually like to do this while it's on my head. It's just easier for me. So again, you guys, I don't bleach my knots, or I really don't pluck that much, but I didn't have to do anything to this frontal, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. So you guys know the drill. Once I decided I wanted my hair to be in a side part, that's when I went and took my Irresistible Me curling wand and just smoothed it out, just to make it look a lot more realistic. And so you also know that I don't bleach my knots, as I stated earlier. So I just took my foundation powder, which is the same as my complexion, and I just added that to the parting space. And you guys, I am loving this hair. Like I said, so far so good. I didn't attempt to curl it because this is straight hair and I really just wanted to wear it straight. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now I am going to try to update you guys on this wig if I don't sell it first. So don't be mad at me, but yeah, this wig is really nice and the hair is really nice so far as well. So now all you see me doing is just going around the perimeter of my hair, just to camouflage that lace a lot more, so you don't see those knots at all, and just to make it look even more realistic, like it's coming out of my scalp.
It's gotta be hard on you now to know the truth, a bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you, say you think.
So at first I was going to keep these baby hairs, but you know what, they were a little too long, so I just decided to go ahead and chop them off and just lay them down a little bit, just to, you know, because they're annoying. Like, I really don't like hair on my face too much, especially because I wear contacts. And yeah, I don't know if you guys or wear contacts, but if you get a piece of hair in your eye, it's like death, okay? So those baby hairs had to go. Too long, annoying, and so forth. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not adhere this wig to my head, which is a part of the video you guys usually see me do. I really didn't have to. Plus, I have other reviews to do after this, so I just didn't want to adhere this to my head and just be stuck, you know, with this particular wig on for a few days. But, I mean, it is a really nice wig. I absolutely love the way it came out. It's very snug. If you guys would like to see how I make my wigs, just let me know. I mean, it's a really long process. I probably won't be able to show you from start to finish. I don't know. But if you do want to see that, I will try to get that video out for you. And in the meantime, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this unit. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I'm getting chills when they tell me you're not yourself. Trying to move, but it's hard. I'm out of breath. Nothing belongs to you in life. Oh, the picture of you cuts like a knife. Whatever they call us, whatever they'll